we're back, folks. We got a 2014 Jeep Patriot Latitude 4x4. And this truck is a 2-owner with over 20 dealer service records. And it's like brand new, folks. It's never had an accident, no paint work, no excuses here. Non-smoker vehicle, leather interior, heated seats. Got the premium sound system, alloys, privacy glass, luggage rack. Check it out. And the car's like brand new. No rust on this car. Fully serviced, safety inspected. Fresh brakes, compliments of DasCleveland.com. Service contract included. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Leather wrapped wheel. Traction control. ABS braking. Truck is like new inside and out. Nice alloys, good tires, again, fresh brakes. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this little truck. This is a $995 starting down payment. The truck doesn't have a mark on it, folks. Clean, respected, serviced, maintained, and it's now for sale at DasCleveland.com. Bring along some paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, hour of your time. You get to view the free Carfax for no charge. Check out the live video, the photos, and drive off in a 2014 starting at $995 down. DasCleveland.com.